Hi, I'm Christopher from Sunhero. We have something really special for you, and that's a series of videos especially made for expats who are living in Spain and want to electrify their homes. We know that many of you are looking to install solar panels, EV chargers, heat pumps, batteries, but you don't know where to start. Because there's a lot of information out there, but most of it, frankly, is in Spanish, and that's tough. So we're here with a series of videos that will explain you the whole process, and we're here for any questions that you may have. We know how difficult it is to interact with Spanish bureaucracy, to talk electricity in Spanish. So for that, we have a team of people who can do that in English, German, Swedish, many other languages. So just feel free to follow us on all the social networks. We're on YouTube, we're on Spotify, on Apple Podcasts, and you can find us at Sunhero. And if there are any questions, we'll be happy to help you out and get you set up for life. Thanks for tuning in. Take care. Bye-bye.